Welcome to Jemma channel. I will share how to make cold mixed vegetables today. Cut kelp, shredded cucumber, shredded carrots, tear fungus into small pieces, cut the spinach, fried eggs into thin slices, shred it, ingredients: blend water, take it out, garlic, green onion, and chili powder, pour hot oil, place the ingredients, and sauce. Mix evenly. Please try. Share it and tag me. If you have any questions, leave a message in a comment. Follow my channel to watch a video and first time. Thanks for subscribing and watching. See you soon!